Darci coming to you from Kauai. Today I'm doing a short video where I'm sharing with you my free and paid offerings. So I thought we would start at my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel, Darci Iyer, and these are my videos. This is a wealth of information here. I do everything from short videos to deep dive videos on different subjects. For instance, I just recently published my Ayurveda webinar and my Secrets of Cleansing webinar. These were paid webinars, and I'm publishing them here for free. I also have a different video each season that I put out according to Ayurveda to give you tips to help your body, to keep you in balance. I've been making videos for 7 years, lots of great videos to help your health and well-being, 6 ways to know if you have toxins, case studies, sunscreen makes you sick, tired, and fat. Make sure to ring this bell. You'll get notified each time I publish a new video, and subscribe as well. So here is a free consultation that I'm offering. Here's the website to find it. It's where you get a chance to ask me one question about any health project or something related to your cleanse. Really great opportunity here, and all you have to do is click here, and then you'll set whatever timing that you are wanting. Now, I have 2 other consulting packages that I wanted to tell you about. One is almost 50% off right now. So with personalized health coaching, you really get the information and support you need to reach your goals. So you could come over here and take a look at this page here. You want to think about your goals. We could focus on a consultation, do a food audit, support for your cleanse. These are just a couple of ideas to utilize your 2 health coaching packages. So the first one is a 90-minute consultation. It's an initial consultation where we really drop in on the in-person phone or Zoom to really help you make lifestyle choices for consistent, sustainable, healthy you. The next coaching package that I have available for you is a month of coaching. Now, this coaching program, I only have room for a handful of people each month, so it is on a first come, first served basis. Thank you for your understanding around this, and it's also at a deep discount right now. This is where we get to meet once a week for a 60-minute call to help you really dial in your self-care routine, or get the most out of your Serious Cleanse 30-day challenge, help you implement strategies and move forward with your own unique goals. So this is a really great deal. So if you're interested in either of these packages, you could click here or select Add to Cart. The next free offering is our Serious Cleanse Facebook page. This is a public Facebook page, and I post lots of great information. So lots of great posts like that. This next free offering that I will share with you today is Assess Your Toxic Burden Quiz. This is what I call my secret weapon in knowing what level of toxins you actually have. It's only 10 questions. It'll take you 3 to 5 minutes, and you click on each of these questions to continue on like so. The next free offering is my 7-day cleanse. Now, this is actually the first 7 days of my 30-day Serious Cleanse challenge, which I'll talk to you about in a moment. If you're interested in dipping your toe in the cleansing world, read on to discover how to cleanse your body. I help you do this cleanse right now. I'm also giving that free consultation with this 7-day program. This is a great program for somebody who just wants a little bit of cleansing, but you're also serious about the program. Now, the goals of the Serious Cleanse are to learn about toxins, to cleanse toxins out of your body, to track your progress, and to prevent toxins from entering your body in the first place, because it's so much easier to prevent toxins than it is to cleanse them. And here's a few of the benefits of what you can look forward to: more energy, feeling lighter, cleaner, clearer, reduced pain, and so on. Now with my free 7-day program, you get all of this and more. I couldn't show everything here. There's a lesson each day. You get a 7-day meal plan and food guide, pre-detoxification guide, and your first cleanse is a sugar and gluten detox. There's an email that you receive every single day that takes you to our member site, and I give you a short introduction and everything you need for that day. So each lesson comes to your inbox. There are also different breathing exercises and meditation practices to help you cleanse your body, your mind, and your emotions. All of this is free right now, so you should take advantage of this while it is still free. And the next thing I'll share with you is my 30-day serious cleanse challenge. If you're serious about your health, then read on. I'll help you cleanse your body, your home, and your life. You can restore your health with a cleanse. And what I did is I reverse engineered the process of how we accumulate toxins, and I help you to cleanse. In this cleanse, I walk you through each steps towards a successful cleanse. I help you understand how when we begin to feel better, it's easier to let go of old habits that are no longer serving us. Now, the next question here is, are symptoms robbing you of your energy? Do you have chronic low energy? Do you see more signs of aging? Mood swings, brain fog, weight gain, or do you get sick easily? These are all warning signs of toxins, which what happens is these when our organs of detoxification get clogged, this affects us at a cellular level, and it robs us of our vital energy, causing all manner of symptoms, including all the ones we mentioned above. Now, your 30-day serious cleanse program comes with all of this and more. There's a schedule of each day you receive a lesson, and each week you do a cleanse. The first week is your sugar and gluten cleanse. You have lymphatic cleansing in the second week. There's a heavy metal cleanse. Now, some of my competitors have a heavy metal cleanse for $600 or $700. My whole course costs a fraction of that. All of this is included in your Serious Cleanse 30-day challenge. It's a value of almost $3,000. I also have a package where you can buy the Serious Cleanse challenge with my cleansing protocol or my cleansing kit, and you save $50. Oh my gosh, I'm paying you to cleanse. So you have 30 days of detox here. Now, the next offering I'll share with you is my cleansing kit. What is the Serious Cleanse protocol? It's the companion program to my 30-day challenge and my 7-day program. It includes cleansing tea, exfoliating gloves, the Serious Cleanse body mask, and a video tutorial where I teach you how to cleanse your skin and manually circulate your lymphatic fluid for greater cleansing, because your lymphatic system is one of the 4 organs of detoxification. If you'd like to cleanse your 4 organs of detoxification, the liver, the kidneys, the skin, and the lymphatic system. So you get all of this in the Serious Cleanse program here. If you'd like to choose that with the protocol, you could also join me on my virtual group cleanse for just an additional $29. I offer these monthly. You get to cleanse your organs, your 4 organs of detoxification in 30 minutes each day in 5 days. And here's how it works. Now, each day you go through and do the Serious Cleanse protocol on yourself, and you have support. Day 1, there's a Zoom call with an unboxing where I give you special tips. I walk you through the entire program and answer all your questions. During the week, you have access to the private Facebook. Day 3, I pick a topic from my course, there's question and answer, and we share experiences. Day 5 is another Zoom call where you have me, there's question and answer, and we get to celebrate our wins. Now, when you add this to your Serious Cleanse protocol, it's only an additional $29 per person. I offer these monthly. So that's how you can do the Serious Cleanse protocol if you'd like to cleanse your 4 organs of detoxification: the liver, the kidneys, the skin, and the lymphatic system. So to recap the free and paid offerings, YouTube channel here. Remember to subscribe and ring the bell so you get all the notifications. Lots of videos here. There's a free consultation for you. There's the Serious Cleanse Facebook group, my 7-day free program right now, the Assess Your Toxic Burden quiz. And then here are my paid offerings, where there's a 30-day Serious Cleanse challenge. Then there's the companion cleansing kit where you get to go through your 4 organs of detoxification. You're cleansing the liver, kidneys, skin, and lymphatic system in 3 steps, where you drink the tea, follow along with the video tutorial with simple movements to cleanse your skin and lymphatic system, and then apply the Serious Cleanse body mask and let it work. You could also join me on my virtual group cleanse for just an additional $29. I offer these monthly, and I have 2 consultations, a month of coaching where we meet once a week, and an initial consultation. So hope that you have found this valuable. There's lots of other offerings on my website. Looking forward to seeing you in one of the offerings soon.